Hello, hello, my dear ArdyssLife family. I hope everyone is doing fantastic. I see Miss Alicia, beautiful. Thank you so much for joining. She's going to be one of our very special guests today with her testimony. So thank you so much for joining us, Miss Alicia. I see Miss Elisa Dubois, one of our dear guests. Thank you so much for being here, Miss Charlie, and many of you who are connected. Welcome, welcome. Dr. Tara is here as well. Today, as every Wednesday, is going to be an incredible event. Every time we try to bring you some new information and, some data that you can use as well to invite more people to the business so they can see the results in terms of products. Because Wednesdays are the days where we focus more on speaking about the reshaping garments, speaking more about the nutritional products. And we want to show you some testimonies as well that from people who are using the products and they are transforming their lives. Because you know what, Ardysspreneurs and ArdyssLife family, and if there's anyone here for the first time, which I say welcome again, this company has been around for almost 35 years, and the hero of all these years has been the product. We have been using the products, and thanks to the products, which are wonderful, and there's no other products out there that compares to the products in ArdyssLife, we have been able to succeed not only here in the US, but in Mexico, Colombia, Peru, the UK, different parts of the world. These products has been in hands of the people thanks to you, because you have been sharing it with more people every single day in your city, in your state, in your country. And this means so much for us. This is the reason why we are still here after 35 years, and we will remain here for many, many more years, because you know what? This mission of helping families thrive is what moves us every single day, and we won't stop. We won't stop because we want to be in every house in the entire world. So thank you again for connecting. Thank you for giving yourself a time to be here and learn and listen to some information and some incredible, testimonies. So again, if there's anyone here who are for the first time, please let me know in the chat. I want to read your name. I want to know who invited you to today's presentation, because guess what? That person who invited you is very important. And, he cares or she cares about you. And I want to, give them something special to them for inviting you to this meeting. So I would like to know if there's anyone here who brought, any distributor who brought their 3 guests. Let me know, or those guests can let me know who invited them, and I'm going to give them for free one of our flagship products, our Lviv Red, which is a powerful product full of antioxidants, delicious product, and is the most popular one. So I want to start reading on the chat while we start today's events, because every Wednesday is very special. And I want to say hello to everyone who's connected all the way from Florida, from Houston, from Nassau, Bahamas, where else? From Guyana, South America as well. Congratulations and thank you for being here. Let me see if I can read on my chat. Let me go down while we give some minutes for others to connect. So Eric, welcome Eric. You were invited by Dr. Tyra. Thank you so much, Dr. Tyra. You're doing an amazing job. And George as well. Welcome, George. You were invited by Dr. Tyra as well. Thank you so much, Dr. Tyra. I mean, you have something in your hands already. One of your favorite products is going to be on the way, so you can continue using and sharing that product. Congratulations to you, Dr. Tyra. And it says, good evening. My name is Ben from Dr. Tyra. Congrats, congrats. Welcome, welcome. I love to read, from people who are here for the first time. Again, the person who invited you, cares so much about you. That person knows that you can find a solution here in ArdyssLife. And I am more than happy to say welcome to this ArdyssLife family. I'm Elvia Diaz de Leon, co-founder of ArdyssLife, and my life changed thanks to ArdyssLife 20 years ago. Since then, I've been using the products every day, both nutritional products and reshaping garments, and my life has been transformed I'm a positive person. I'm a healthy person. I'm someone who has energy all day long. And I love it. I love to feel like that. I love to feel healthy. And this is the reason why I'm here every Wednesday, so we can hear more people speaking about the products. So greetings to you all the way from Minnesota. Miss Shirley, you were invited by Dr. Tyra as well. Welcome, welcome Shirley, and welcome to Ben, and welcome to George, and welcome to Eric. We love you, even though I don't know you, but I love you. This family means so much for us. So let me say something in Spanish really quick, Ardyspreneurs, before we begin today's event. Bienvenida, mi querida Luz Helena. Sé que estás por ahí. Si quieres escuchar la traducción, ya sabes, picarle al botoncito de traducción y vas a poder escuchar. Y si no, yo sé que hablas inglés de cualquier manera y vas a poder estar escuchando la información muy valiosa del día de hoy y algunos testimonios de la misma manera. Así es que bueno, bienvenidas. Well, I think it's time to get started, Ardyspreneurs. I know that you saw on the banner that today we are going to be speaking about some healthier options, rather than Ozempic, because how many of us have heard so much about Ozempic? It's so trendy, so where everyone's hearing about Ozempic and how people are losing weight just like that. And we're not here to speak anything wrong about Ozempic. If it works for some people, perfect. If doctors are recommended for some people and it's working, perfect. But today we want to emphasize and let you know what are the options that ArdyssLife can offer that can help you lose weight on a healthy way with our two-step system, the garments and the nutritional products. This is what we are going to be speaking about. And for that, I would like to invite our two dear guests. And I'm speaking of none other than an incredible person, someone who is passionate about, ArdyssLife and its products and helping people every single day. And I'm speaking about Dr. Tyra Paler. So Dr. Tyra, welcome. We are excited for today's event. We know that we are going to learn a lot. So we are ready as well with Miss Elisa Dubois. The floor is yours. Welcome. How are you doing today, Dr. Tyra?
Thank you, Mrs. Elvia. I appreciate the opportunity to always come on to be a part of the ArdyssLife family, and just for the opportunity to come on and to invest with healthier products, because all of us want to be healthy. So I thank you so much. And of course, my co-host, Ms. Elisa Dubois, is there as well too. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to welcome you home to ArdyssLife family. Welcome to all the first-time guests. It's your first time here. We want to welcome you on behalf of our founder. Of course, you heard from our co-founder, Mrs. Elvia Diaz-Deleon, our founder, Papa and Mama Diaz-Deleon. Absolutely. If this would not be possible if it was not for our founders and of course our co-founders for keeping the torch brighter and brighter and giving us the road to success. So welcome, 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 guests. I'm super excited to be here this afternoon because it's time for us to learn some healthier alternatives. But before I talk about healthier alternatives, we're going to go to my co-host, Mrs. Elisa Dubois, and she's going to inform us on the outer portion of this amazing two-step system. My co-host, Elisa Dubois, are you there? I see you. How are you doing this evening? Is you frozen?
I am here and I am wonderful, Dr. Paler. How are you this evening?
I am super fantastic. So I know you are the reshaping queen. You get everybody's Snatchalicious. That's your nickname in our ArdyssLife family. You are the Snatchalicious queen. So tell me, this two-step system, this awesome therapeutic garment made by Dr. Kelly and the men's t-shirt, give us more information on these two amazing products, please.
Well, it's very exciting, the two products that I'm going to talk about, the two garments, because what we are looking for, what most people, especially women, are looking for, we're looking for gratification. We're looking for a transformation. We're looking to boost our confidence. We're looking to lose those inches in weight and get our sexy back. Guess what? You can do that without the risk, without the expense of having to go through some of the other protocols that we know are out there. And like you said, they're working, but they're not for everyone. Let's talk about how we can reshape the body. I like to say that these garments can help to build a better body on demand. You ever get up some days and you're like, oh, I want to wear this dress, but I'm not satisfied about how my derriere looks in this dress. Bam! We have garments for that, okay? One day you're like, oh, my tummy, this dress is beautiful, but I don't feel like I'm really doing it any justice because I have a belly. We have garments that can instantly smooth that tissue out and help you look and feel your absolute best. Let's talk about some of those garments. We're going to talk about our master reshaping garment, the Body Magic. I get most excited about this garment because this garment helped me to transform my body personally to be able to release 70 pounds in less than a year and keep it off. Now, I want to first talk about the main benefits, those benefits that sometimes get us excited about this garment, okay? Main benefits, reshape your body and reduce up to 3 sizes. That right there got my attention. 3 sizes at the time, I was a size 20 in US and I wore 240 pounds. So when I hear I can lose 3 sizes instantly, I'm like, if it's legal, I'm in. Tell me more. Okay. Now, this wonderful garment realigns loose tissue and lifts and reshapes the buttocks. Guess what? Think about it. Oftentimes, women pay a lot of money, often traveling, to be able to get this kind of result. Sometimes you can see that people go and get a derriere lift. You can do something similar with the garment, okay? This is also ideal for those suffering from back pain. Oftentimes, we have back pain because of poor posture, sitting in a chair that's not ergonomic. There are several reasons why a person can suffer from back pain. This is an orthopedic garment designed by our wonderful orthopedic surgeon, Dr. Leonel Kelly. So when you put this garment on, you can't help but sit up straight and see that your posture is improving over time. Also, it provides support and corrects the posture, as I mentioned. But here's the thing I want to really, really hone in on. Because we've just come through a time with the pandemic, a lot of people are working from home more and more. They're sitting on sofa chairs, kitchen table chairs, and things of that nature, and they're not sitting in a chair that supports their back. A lot of people are starting to kind of walk hunched over. And then don't forget, nowadays with technology, we always have a tablet or a phone in our hand, and we're walking and sitting with our head hanging down, again, contributing to poor posture. This garment, this one garment, the Body Magic, can assist in being able to improve the posture overall. Exciting indeed. As we go into the next slide, because look at that garment. Look at that woman in her side view. She's looking at you like, I know I look good. And when you put this garment on, you will experience that indeed. Now, let's also talk about the transformations. Look at the before and afters of these women. Look at the stance and the posture before, and look at the after. Notice each after photo has the hand on the hip. That is a universal sign that you're confident, you're feeling good, you're feeling sexy. Look at the smile, okay? In the after photo, they're very excited about their results. Amazing, especially the young lady on the right here. Look at her with her hand on her hip and her phone. She's taking pictures, sending them to her friends, showing them what she has accomplished and achieved with this awesome reshaping garment. This medical grade garment that she's been able to utilize the protocol, wearing it properly, and using it as part one of our two-step system. Awesome transformation indeed. Let's go on to our next slide. Guess what, gentlemen? We know that once we go out there and utilize the Body Magic to transform our body, we don't want you to get jealous, okay? Believe me, we have something for you as well. Because here's the bottom line. Women need to have a waistline under 35 inches in diameter, and men need to have a waistline under 40 inches wide. That's the benchmark for a healthy waistline. So, gentlemen, we have something for you as well. Our awesome abdomen shirt, our men's abdomen shirt. It provides support, promoting a slimmer, more athletic appearance. So you can actually wear this garment to the gym to help with back support and being able to assist with your resistance training and things of that nature. It reduces back pain and trims the waistline because our men oftentimes have love handles too, and they need to be tamed from time to time. This garment is going to pull in and recontour the waist area as well. And guess what? It's comfortable and breathable. It's like wearing a t-shirt, a tank top t-shirt. Very comfortable. You can wear it all year long. Again, it brings in the waistline 2 to 3 sizes. And for those men who've been gaining weight and have extra tissue in the chest area, it can assist in being able to help get rid of that as well. So here are our wonderful flagship garments that can help our men and our women to realize 2 to 3 sizes. Again, it's made of a thermogenetic fiber that works with your body heat. When you put it on, it heats up 1.5%, enough to increase your metabolism, but don't worry, ladies, not enough to give you a hot flash, okay? So this is an awesome two-step system. This is one part of the two-step system. Again, some wonderful transformations from our men. Look at the bellies on the left versus the results on the right. Also, look at the posture. When your stomach is smaller, that takes a lot of weight off of your back. You're able to stand up straight, especially with this wonderful garment, wearing it in place as the protocol calls for. Definitely a significant and deliberate results in the transformation. Raise your hand in the chat if you know someone that needs to realize this kind of transformation. It is definitely available and waiting for you. Absolutely. Next slide, please. All right. That is it for our wonderful reshaping garments. I would encourage you to get with the person that invited you and let them know you need to have an experience with our garments right away. Dr. Tyra, I'm going to go ahead and pass it back to you so that now you can review the other part of the two-step system that's going to help to fuel our guests and audience to success this evening. Back to you, Dr. Tyra.
Thank you so much, Ms. Dubois, for all that great information that you give. Got to keep the body reshaped on the outside because as you go through this process, of losing weight, you want to make sure that you're keeping your outer in a proper shape. And I want to read some of the comments I see. We have some of our executive presidents talking about her comment was the number one reshaping garment, the number one reshaping and support is Ardyss wear. Great presentation. Even our co-founder, Alejandro joined in. Men have love handles as well too. So we want to make sure that our men are and our ladies are got the right products. And here's the best part: no side effects. But what you're going to get is all great effects. No side effects, but all great effects. So let's dive down into our nutritional products. How many people want products with no side effects? Let me see. I'll put a number one in the chat. If you want to be able to consume something in your own body that has no side effects but great results. No side effects but great results. You know, a lot of the products on the market today, they come stapled with that prescription with a list of side effects. One thing at Ardyss, again, a 35-year going, 36-year track record, we have been able to deliver products that give you real results and real time. So our Red Levine, this is one of my favorite. I drink this every single day. It's packed with vitamins and antioxidants. It's the number one antioxidant drink that you can consume and put inside your body. What is in this? You may ask: acai berry, goji berry, pomegranate, noni, and mangosteen. The top 5 antioxidants combined all together. But what's not in here? It says it on the bottle: no artificial colors, and no artificial flavors. The gold one is our vitamins and our minerals. Did you know there's 90 vitamins and minerals that we should be consuming every day? Every day. Our green leaf is the green leaf to keep everything flowing through your digestive system, helping your body to digest the food that we're consuming every day and helping to prevent IBS issues. Our memory fusion. If you are over 30 years of age, you want to make sure that you're putting the right things for your brain to have the right focus, the right energy, the right clarity. If you're studying, if you're in school just started, there's a lot of people going back to school, back in college, and these things. So you want to make sure that your brain can function, your focus is clear. Our shields, we know we're leaving summer, going into fall. You can feel the weather starting to change. You want to make sure that your immune system is shielded with protection so you're not getting colds and viruses that's going on around. So that's what our shield is packed with elderberries and so many other nutritional products for you to be able to keep your immune system strong. I want to add shield is also an anti-cancer properties in our shield. Our that sky blue bottle right there that you're looking at is coral calcium for men and for women. As we increase our age, we want to prevent from getting osteoporosis, making sure again our immune system, our zinc and our magnesium is strong. And also, if you're having some issues with sleeping, this is one of the ones that you want to take this at nighttime because you're going to be able to get some really, really good sleep. Wake up refreshed, ready to take on the day. Our cran aloe. We have one amazing testimony for one of our elite educators here with the ArdyssLife family. Mrs. Flanagan talks about how her testimony is her fibroids and her tumor surgery was canceled because of this amazing cran aloe. You heard me right, ladies. The testimonies beats documentation. Anytime we have the right products designed with you in mind. Our coffee, our coffee. We have 3 amazing coffees. Our 7-in-1 cappuccino coffee packed with amazing mushrooms, green beans. I tell you something, it is absolutely one of the most amazing, refreshing coffee, and it tastes so good. It tastes so good. Your omega-3, 6, and 9. You got to make sure that it's good for your heart, making sure that the arteries are opening, making sure you're helping to keep the plaque off of the arteries so you're not having no issues with the blood, with your blood. The omega-3, 6, and 9 is also good for joints, for your bones, the cartilage, right? To help your joints. It's also good. Your omega-3, 6, and 9 is also good for your brain as well too. Green 29, that's one of my favorite. I take that because it helps to alkaline the pH within the blood. All of these products help to alkaline the pH within your blood. So as you invest, the most important investment that you can invest in to get the right product and great benefits, you want to make sure that you're getting your ArdyssLife products. Your green 29 is 29 greens that we should be consuming every day. Did you know that? It's 29 greens that we should be consuming every day. I take these every single day. I put them all together in my products, and I enjoy my product. They taste so good. To help you with your cleansing of your colon. That is essential, essential, essential. Our Ultra Body Cleanse will be the main benefits to help you to Ultra Body Cleanse combined with natural herbs, probiotics, enzymes and support internal cleansing. Within days, you'll be eliminating toxins out of your body, promoting proper digestive health throughout your whole entire body. Did you know there's parasites inside of your body? Especially if you're eating anything with eyes, that means pork, chicken, fish, anything like that that can cause parasites. We want to make sure that you get what you need so your body will be in its optimal health and support, and to help you to facilitate the proper digestion. Okay? So Ultra Body Cleanse, you can't do anything without your Ultra. We got to clean the slate, and then we put all our nutrients. The Ultra Body Cleanse and all our other products helps you to keep everything balanced. With our Lviv Slim, it helps you to keep everything nice and slim and trim. It has a lot of benefits, this Lviv Slim. It truly has a lot of benefits. It gives you better memory, better focus with your nervous system, helping you to increasing your energy. It promotes weight loss. Ladies, if you're trying to get rid of that visual fat around the waist, it is the one that's going to help you to do that. It's going to, even if you're having issues with libido, it even increases your libido. So I'll give you a link on that one. So we have a host of amazing products. Next slide, please, that we created for you just because you need these. And here are all of our essentials. The Lviv Essentials, the main benefits, helping you to combat cellular anti-aging, keeping your power of your blood healthy. It's the food for your blood. It helps to keep everything flowing through your blood, and it helps to revitalize and refuel your blood. This is cellular nutrition to nourish your cells and support vitality, longevity for your whole entire life, increasing your energy. And I tell you something, here's a secret. When you start to use all of these products, you're going to notice a lot of things happening, right? Side effects. We got side great benefits. You're going to notice your skin glowing. You're going to notice your hair growing. You're going to notice you're losing all this weight. You can to revive yourself. So these are the products that don't give you side effects, but give you great benefits. So I'm super excited to take these. I take them every day. Every day I take my ArdyssLife products and I share this with every person that I possibly can, because I'm sure you know someone that need these products for whatever reason. Of course, at ArdyssLife, we don't make any diagnosis, no claims, or no medical cures, but we can tell you, just like Elisa Dubois had an amazing test transformation. Also, Dr. Katina, amazing transformation. So we want you to live and to thrive in a great place with ArdyssLife. So let's talk about the big topic tonight, side effects. Side effects. We gave you the two-step system, told you everything that you need to know about the two-step system. Let's show, we have some two slides that we're going to show from some other medical colleagues out there in the medical nutritional world. We're going to show you these slides. Did you know there's a lot of benefits from taking Ozempic? What was Ozempic designed for? Ozempic was a prescription that was originally designed for type 2 diabetes. They found out that a lot of people were starting to lose weight with Ozempic, but ladies and gentlemen, there were some issues. So we have two slides that we have prepared for you to create for these side effects that you need to know. There's short-term effects. How many people want nausea? How many people want vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, stomach pain, bloating, fatigue? There's even long-term concerns, the possible of muscle loss instead of fat, the risk of so many things that you just don't even want to talk about. Situations with your pancreas, issues with your gallbladder issues, and your thyroid, and some of the side effects. Some of the other doctors even talk about some of the side effects can even potentially lead to cancer. So it is something that we need to take a side look about what are the side effects that we're putting into our bodies. What medications are we taking? And even if you're not taking Ozempic, we want to encourage you to start being more active with your own health. And what does that mean? making sure that you're managing your diabetes, support for weight loss. But if that's not the magic solution, comes from any risk. The best results come from balanced nutrition, regular movements, going to the restroom, cleansing the body, a sustainable life changes, and the Ardyss 2 life system. We are showing you tonight a healthier alternative to having the healthier lifestyle so that you can thrive and live well without any side effects. Without any side effects. Next slide, please. Do we have the two videos queued up from our other medical colleagues that we prepared?
Yes, give us 1 second, Dr. Tara.
Okay, thank you so much. And we also have some other testimonies coming up after this as well, too. So take a look at this. This is a medical
37 years of
doctor.
practice, I can't remember another time when a medication was in such demand that I'm asked about it almost every day. And I'm in an aesthetic practice. I don't deal with weight loss. So you know I'm going to be talking about Ozempic again. The semaglutide has been around for a while, but when they found out that it causes weight loss, and it truly does, and it does an excellent job of that, the drug that was initially created for type 2 diabetes became one of the #1 drugs used for weight loss. And they made Wegovy, but try to find that now. Most people are using Ozempic. It's got a host of problems, from pancreatitis to causing thyroid carcinoma to causing gastric issues. There's another thing that's being found out: muscle wasting.
Really important things that we need to consider, and we need to make sure that we're staying away from things that can possibly, as you heard the physician say, muscle loss and all of these things that persons are taking every day from Ozempic. We have another slide prepared for you. Can we play that, please?
Ozempic has a black box warning that within 12 months of use, it increases your risk for every form of medullary thyroid cancer. Oncologists around the world who are getting new diagnosed cancer patients, if they're on Ozempic and Wegovy, 100% of them are developing breast cancer in less than a year.
Exactly. This is why Ardyss has been around for such a long time, making sure we have the best nutritional team there is to bring you products that work, to bring you products that absolutely work. The testimonies are absolutely amazing. So, Ms. Elvia, we have some testimonies lined up for you, and I'm super excited to bring this gentleman to the platform. Mr. George, can you hear me? If you can unmute your phone, if you don't mind, Mr. George.
Yes, I can hear you.
Thank you so much for joining. Mr. George, I know you just came on board with the ArdyssLife product, and I met you through one of my team success partners, Mrs. Wanda Queen. Mr. George, can you tell us, please, what were you going through before you began to take in your ArdyssLife product?
Well, I was challenged with chronic severe PTSD, and I was taking hydroxyzine palmate so I could go to sleep, because I would go to sleep around 9 or 10 o'clock, and I would wake up at 2 and could not get back to sleep for nothing. I was just, anxiety was just that bad. But after I started taking the drinks and all all of the good stuff, I don't know which one I was taking. I was taking the red, green, the calcium, and the noni juice, and a few other things. 2 weeks after that, I started, sleeping all night. And to add to that, I had my A1C was in the diabetic range. That reversed. It went back under 6.0. It was like 5.7 now. And then on top of that, it was I was losing weight. I lost about 7 pounds. And on top of that, see, I didn't tell you this before, that that body shape. I experienced some challenge with what you call a herniated disc. I don't even feel the pain anymore. And so now I'm going to have to invest in about 7 of those, so those body, whatever you call them, because it's everything that I'm taking been improving my health, and I've been, I thank God for Ardyss. I really do.
Wow. Mr. George, you lost 7 pounds and you're sleeping through the night.
Yes, yeah.
That's absolutely amazing. And so I had an opportunity to meet you via Zoom. And matter of fact, you and your beautiful wife as well too. And it was a pleasure to meet you. I'm super excited to have amazing, great team leaders on my own personal team, Mrs. Wanda Queen. And I tell you something, you just never know when you're going to meet the person that's going to help you to get to where you need to go to. That's what we do here at Ardyss. We share this information with other people because everyone needs some help. Everyone needs something to be able to help them to sustain a healthier quality of life. And I'm super excited. I didn't know about the herniated disc, so I'm super excited that your transformation, and again, you're just getting started with the ArdyssLife product. I think it's been what, going on 2 weeks, going on 2 or 3 weeks now.
Yes, it's been about 3 weeks, almost a month now.
Almost a month. Amazing. And thank you so much again for coming on. Tell your beautiful wife hello, please. And again, welcome home, Mr. George. Welcome to Ardyss.
My pleasure. And also, my wife, now she wants to join. She said, oh, okay, I want to do that.
It was amazing. I know she was kind of really skeptical at first, and she was waiting for you to really, lead. You're leading your family, and I tell you something, it's amazing to be able to now meet your wife, and now she's interested in using the product. So we're excited to welcome your wife as well too. So thank you so very much, and please tell her hello for us.
Yes, I will. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Mr. George. I tell you something, that's what we mean. No side effects, but side benefits. Just 2 weeks, sleeping better, lost weight, support with his abdomen t-shirt, using all the products. He purchased almost a $400 package when he got his product. He invested in himself, for his family. You see the importance. Do you understand now, ladies and gentlemen, when we say an appointment with Ardyss, it will change your life. Invest in your health. Our co-founder Alejandro just said, invest in the number one thing that you can do, invest in your health. I know we have another testimony. Mrs. Candy Mosley, I believe she has a testimony.
Yes, we have Miss Alicia Daniels all the way from Guyana. Hello, Miss Alicia, and welcome.
Greetings. Thank you, Miss Alvia. Thank you, Dr. Taylor. Peter. Tonight's testimony that I will be talking about is concerning, can you hear me?
Loud and clear.
Lovely. All right, so it's concerning the green Lviv. Now, I was suffering with constipation. My bowel movements were not as frequent as they should be. And I was introduced to this product by my mom, who's Coordinator Jean Jones, and she was introduced to it by Supervisor Joan Graves-Andy. So I said, you know what, Mom got results from using the Lviv green, and I am here to say that I too have proven that an appointment with Ardyss, it will change your life. It has changed my life, and now I am back to be in my regular self when it comes to my bowel movements. So I want to say thank you, and great products. And for anybody who wants relief from constipation, I would advise them, to get back to the person that invited them and get their results going. So thank you for allowing me to share, and over to you.
Thank you so very much. I can tell your skin is glowing. I
Yes.
absolutely can tell you, you look amazing. Can't wait to even see even more success with the ArdyssLife company. So that's my portion of it. And so I'm going to send it back over to our beautiful, amazing co-host, Mrs. Elvia Diaz de Leon.
Thank you so much, Dr. Tara. Thank you, Miss Elisa Dubois, as well. Thank you, Miss Alicia. To Mr. George, welcome to the family. I truly enjoy everything that I've heard, tonight. All about Ozempic, the side effects, and the alternatives that we offer in ArdyssLife, thanks to our reshaping garments, and our nutritional products. I can tell you that all the people who are here connected, most of you have a testimony. Most of you already know the product from time ago. Am I right? Can you type number 3 on the chat, Ardyspreneurs, if you have a testimony, something that you said, ArdyssLife has changed my life for the better? I can see those 3s, and these are real testimony, real results with the garments, with the nutritionals. We can see it on the skin, as Miss Alicia, who looks incredible, beautiful, as Dr. Tara, as Miss Elisa, losing weight, transforming their lives, feeling healthier, with more energy, with normal bowel movements. There's so many testimonies here, and I love that. This is why I love ArdyssLife so much. We are not here just making a story up. We are here just sharing our own story of how the products has truly transformed our lives. And this is the beauty of ArdyssLife. This is why we have been here for 35 years. And we want you to continue helping us with this mission. Please share this information with more people. Tonight's event was, shared on YouTube. You can see that it's being live on YouTube. If you want to share, today's link to someone else so they can hear these amazing testimonies, or they can, understand a little bit more about these natural alternative options that is changing the lives of others, do so. Or just talk to someone and let them know, okay, there's something about ArdyssLife, and I know that it's going to help me to feel better. I want to lose some weight. I just want to go in a very safe and alternative way to lose weight. And I'm excited to start this journey. This is all that it takes. Just making the decision today to transform your life and invest in your own health. Because if we are healthy, Ardyspreneurs, if we are healthy to our dear guests, we can just transform the world. There's so much that we can do when we feel amazing. But if we feel weak, we feel, with not as healthy as we want, there's always complaints in our lives. So we are here to continue, again, helping families thrive. And I want to invite you all to continue in using the products. And please, share this information with more people. We want to continue helping transform lives. This is our mission. We are not here just for us. We are here to help others. And this is why we need to keep talking to more people every single day. So I want to say congratulations to you, Dr. Tara. You brought your 3 guests. You have your very special gift. And I want to invite you all to do the same in our following Wednesday. We want to be more people coming on board and learn about these testimonies and about these incredible products. This is why we're doing these events every Wednesday. And I want to encourage you all to continue coming on board so we can learn together. To our Hispanic community as well, thank you so much. And for those who are here for the first time, we want to give you this very, very special surprise. This offer for 20% off. If you make the decision, to come on board and say, I want to try these products, go back to the person who invited you and ask them about how can you get these products with that special discount. They will share you a link from their websites, and you can purchase a product and you can get the discount on the nutritional product. So hopefully you take advantage today. And hopefully some of you later on will say, I want to join this family. I want to learn how to do a business here in ArdyssLife and make some money. Why not? We are here to help families thrive, financially, and as well with their health. For that, can you show me the next slide, please, Estefania? I want to invite you to join us tomorrow. Next slide, please. Tomorrow, we have an opportunity event for those who would like to invite more people and learn more about the opportunity. We will have it in English with our dear Platinum President, Anastasia Lewis, and in Spanish with our Royal Platinum, Noé Herrera. So he's going to be explaining about the business opportunity, and he has some surprise gifts as well for those who invite people to learn about the opportunity, they will get a special surprise as well. So this is a win-win situation, Artistpreneur. So make sure that you share this information with more people. I want to thank again to our dear guests for coming on this platform and learn together. Thank you to our dear people who share their testimonies and for their lovely smiles. And for those who are distributors, don't forget that we have special incentives for you, especially made for you, that ends tonight in our official chat. So take advantage. Again, it's a win-win for everybody. So let's make sure that we thrive. Let's make sure that we continue with this mission of helping families thrive. Again, thank you, Dr. Tyra. Thank you, Miss Elisa. And to all of you for coming on board. We will see you this next Wednesday and tomorrow as well for the opportunity event. Thank you so much, everyone. God bless you. And remember something important, that an appointment with Ardyss will change your life. This goes back to you, Miss Dario. I saw you.
Miss Elvia.
Yes, Dr. Tyra.
I would like to give my gift away. I want to give my gift away to someone tonight. I want to give my gift away. I know that's Banu just came on. Hi, Banu, welcome. I want to give my gift away to Mr. Eric. I'll make sure that we get his address. And so yeah, I want to give my gift to Mr. Eric, please.
I love it. I love it. Send me the information. We will make sure that he has it. That's a lovely gift from you, Dr. Tara.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Taylor.
Thank you, Dr. Taylor.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Banu. Welcome.
I want to share my testimony briefly of how I lost 30 pounds and went down 4 dress sizes and how I gained my life back.
For Dr. Katina Harris, the goal was more than weight loss. She wanted her energy, her health, and her confidence back.
I remember looking in the mirror and barely recognizing myself. I was uncomfortable in my own skin. I was struggling with joint pain and back pain. My confidence, it was practically gone. Just 1 ounce every day of Lviv red, Lviv green, and Lviv yellow. In addition, I wore my body magic garment every single day.
Her transformation was physical, yes, but also deeply personal.
I lost over 30 pounds. I dropped 4 dress sizes. My joint and back pain disappeared. My energy level skyrocketed. But most importantly, my self-esteem was restored.
Because when your body feels renewed, your spirit rises too.